We insert the pressure blocks at the top. We place the sash onto the frame and slide it into position. To keep everything steady, we secure it with a clamp. We position the hinge so the holes align. We cover the upper screw hole because we will use the lower ones later. We drill with a 5 mm bit. And remove the hinge. We use a 5 mm Allen key and two large head screws to fasten the hinge. We tighten gently, only until the screws touch the material. This stabilizes the hinge. We insert the adjustment screw. Using a 6 mm Allen key, we tighten to align the sash with the frame. The adjustment part goes with the opening facing downward. We tap it lightly so it sits in place. Here we adjust the distance between the sash and the frame, range about 35 mm. After installing the hinges, we remove the slide guides. We adjust gasket pressure with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Tightening increases pressure, loosening reduces it. For height adjustment, we use a 6 mm Allen key to move the sash up or down.